understand. Technical navigation today we cannot learn end to end. We cannot learn, right? There is a reason we may not able to remember all the things. It's okay. Understand technically what is the problem statement and what is the solution you are offering. And in order to do that solution, I will be walking through almost all the syllabus paper I am going to walk through here. That means the course content. Everything I will be touching it and I will be using it, but very high level I will be going for it. I may not be going for the deep level, very high level I will be touching it. Okay. First thing is first. So you can notice here first layer. What is the first layer we have here? What is the first layer we have here?
Data layer.
Data layer. So now tell me where is the data available? So if you go and try to Google it, okay, what are the databases available in the market? What are the databases available in the market? If you go and try to Google it, then we'll be coming across Oracle database, Teradata database, like that, n number of databases will be coming across, right? Any database it is, doesn't matter. Any file it is, doesn't matter. Our Power BI is capable enough to communicate with that one. We have the direct connections. Direct connections, we have it. So in this context, I am trying to use the SSMS. I mean, tool I am going to use it. SSMS is a tool to connect with the database that is called as SQL Server database. SQL Server is a Microsoft product. It is a database. I'm going to use for this business problem purpose, the database, I'm going to use it. First, I will explain what are the tables are available in that one. What is the problem statement? I will explain it. Okay, for that purpose, I'm opening SSMS. Okay, now problem statement is, let us say, in US, we have one of the famous stores available that is called as Costco. Okay, this is the one of the famous wholesale store, Costco. You want to know who are the top 10 customers for me, who are paying more money to me. They're giving the member cards, everything, the membership cards will be there. Okay, based on the membership cards, they can able to track it. Okay, how much you paid in overall year or in overall month, you can able to track it. So you want to understand, okay, come this May month, who given the more business to me. You want to understand the top 10 customers. And you may want to call them, hey man, you did great business with us. Okay, please continue to do it. We are giving the one gift for you. Okay, something like that. You can give some kind of encouragements, right?
Yes, sir.
I understand. Okay, so that is a problem now. Now, problem is you don't know how to get the top 10 customers. Yes, two tables are available. Every day is doing the business. That is the reason he has the data is available. The data is stored here in one of the database. The database is called as this is the AdventureWorks DW database is available. There I have a couple of tables. One table is called as customer table. This is the customer table. Here I have the all the customers information. What is the name of the customer? What is the phone number of the customer? What is the gender of the customer? What is the address of the customer? Birthday of the customer? Everything customer related information I have here. You can notice here, right? Suppose if you take the first record, what is the name of this customer? John Yang. This is our last name. This middle name is V, and birth date also available 1971, like that. And it is a married or not married means it is a married. Okay, gender is male, and email address also available, and phone number also may be there or may not be also. This all is there or not there. Phone number is not there. Okay, fine. Yeah, it is there. It is there. Phone number is there, and also address also available. So now I have customer related all the information. I have it. If I want to send one gift to his home also, I have the address. I want to wishes on the phone itself. Thanks wishes. I want to give it. Okay, I can. I have the phone number. I want to send one mail with some coupon code. I can send the one mail also. Right? I have the customer information. Now each customer what he paying. That information is available in the other table. That table is called as sales table is available. In the sales table, I have the sales information. For example, here this customer 21768 is a customer. He paid what he paid, why he paid, those all information is available. He paid amount. You can notice here, I have total amount he paid. How much he paid it? $2171 he paid it. So here I have the information, right? Each customer, how much he paid it, I have the information. So in front of you now we have two tables are available. One is called as sales table. Second is called as customer table is available. Now business problem is now you want to know top 10 customers. You want to know the nearest we have one festival year, May 26, USA holiday. Okay, why it is holiday? There is a reason, right? Okay, Memorial
Yes.
Day is available. On this Memorial Day, you want to find out the top 10 customers you want to find out, and you want to wish the customer, hey, man, you did the great business with us. Please continue to do it. Kind of encouragement. For that encouragement is giving some kind of gift coupon also, suppose. Now, you want to know top 10 customers, you want to know. Data is given to you. You don't know SQL queries and all, right? That is the reason you are required. Now, your job is get the data from these two tables and develop a report which is giving the top 10 customers. Is it context is clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Till here. Yeah.
Okay. Now for that purpose, now you have the answer. Data layer is our SQL server is the data layer. This is what we are in the SQL server only. You can see in the top, it is SQL server database. And the database name is called as here, server called as RRITEC. Database name is called as AdventureOS DW 2012. Okay. Now we have the database. Next, I want to know what is the Power BI desktop, how to open that one. Okay, you can open Power BI desktop simply by typing in the search button Power BI desktop. In the Windows search, you have to type Power BI desktop, we'll get the tool. Of course, in order to get that one, you need to install that one first. Okay, in my laptop already it is installed. That is the reason I'm able to see that. Okay, once I open this Power BI desktop, I need to learn how to connect with the SQL server and how to get these two tables, customer table and sales table. Okay, let it open. So I'm trying to open. Yeah, now we can see in the top, it's showing as a Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. Power BI is very easy tool. Okay,
Okay.
very easy tool. So you know what? Whatever you are seeing on the screen, if you learn, that's it. Power BI is completed. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, all the options you know it, then Power BI is completed. And also it stores in the backend the file format only. If you go and try to save this one, let us say, if I am trying to save it here, then it is asking some name. I am giving the name as a demo on, sorry, demo on 2025 and 05 and 21. For me, it is 21 only still. Okay, for India people, 22 maybe. Now I am trying to save this one in one of the folder. I am saving it. Let us go and try to browse this one. Okay. I am browsing it and I am trying to save onto the desktop. I am saving it. Let me select the desktop. Then RRTech folder is available with today's date. I am creating one folder also 2025, then 05, then 21. Inside this folder, I am trying to save this one. Oh, somehow its name is gone. Demo 2025, then 05, 21. Okay, you can see in the top now, title is came as a demo 2025, 05, 21. So if you go and try to observe in the back end, right? If you go to the desktop, then you go to the RRTech folder, uh, 2025, 05, 21 folder, we got your file. How much size file is? This file as size is, how much size file is?
30 KB.
Yeah, end of today, we are going to see now this size will be increases to somewhere 2000 plus. It is going to increases 2000 plus KB. It is going to increase because I'm going to work it right. I'll be taking those two tables data. I'll be importing it and I'll be working on that one. Once I start working and if I keep on save it, then automatically the size of this file will be increases. And the file is called as it is a PBX file. How we have the XLSX file. XLSX file is for the what type of file it is? Excel file. Docx is what type of file it is?
Um, mm,
MS Word file,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, MS Word.
Similarly, PPTX is a PowerPoint. Similarly, we have here Power BI file is called as a PBIX. PBIX means Power BI file. Okay. Now let us go and try to start the work. Here itself, I can see now I have the option called as get the data. I said there is no barriers, there is no limitations. Power BI can able to speak with any database, you name it. If I go here databases, I have the Oracle database, I have the MySQL database, I have the Postgres, I have the SAP, I have the Teradata. You name something, we have all the things that are available here. All the connections are readily available. Tomorrow, some new databases came also. Then Microsoft job is to increase these connections here. That's it. Here now, at this point of time, we have 100 plus connections are available. Okay, time being, I want to communicate with the database. The database is called as SQL Server database. I want to communicate with. Go and try to select this SQL Server database. Click on here, connect. Now, then it is going to ask you, tell me where is your server. Server also installed in my laptop only. My laptop name is RRITEC. That is the reason I am providing RRITEC. And I know my database name also. The database name is called as AdventureWorks DW2000 tool is the database name. So I am typing that one. Then import, then click on OK. Then it is going to show it all the tables which are available in that one. In the tables list, I have my two tables. What I want is dim customer is a one table. It's a dimension customer. Okay, it has no money matters. Okay, remaining all information will be there, except money, remaining things will be there. Like customer name, customer married or not, customer full address, customer phone number, customer mail ID, some kind of that kind of things. Then you can see here fact internet sales is a one more table is available. Fact internet sales. Okay, one more table is available here. This one. So this is the one more table. These two tables I am trying to transform it. Why I am doing the transform is this data may not be ready to eat, right? So suppose if you take a dim customer, I have the first name, I have the middle name, I have the last name. But my concern is I want the full name. I want the full name. I want to send maybe postal address. I want to send one gift. I want to send it. Okay, so that I can surprise the customer. Okay, on this festival day, you got some kind of sweet box to your home. You will be surprised, right? And you will be very happy. You're getting my point? So for that purpose, I
Yes.
want here full name. I want it. So full name I want means readily it is not available. So I need to do the transform data. Click on here transform data. The moment I click on the transform data, then we are going to see one window. That window name you can observe in the top that is called as, it is opening still. Yeah. So this is the window it is opened. Now this window is technically called as Power Query window. This window, whatever we are seeing here, this is technically called as Power Query window. Now we have two windows here. You can notice here. This is the one window already we noticed it is a Power BI desktop window. This is another window. We got it now. Okay, this window is called as Power Query window. This window is called as Power Query window. Okay. Now in this Power Query window, we'll do all kind of data transformations. We are going to do it here. All the kind of data transformation we are going to do. This is the our layer. You can observe in our architecture diagram. What is layer? It is
Query. Power query.
Power Query. Power Query. In Power Query, we can do lot of things we can do it, but few things we'll do today. First, my goal is I want to go and I want to concatenate this first name, middle name, and last name. We have to concatenate it. We are in the world of AI world, right? So I don't want to write the formulas manually, something like that. So I have to teach the system how to write the formula. Then it has to write for you. Okay, backend actually it is using a language that is called as M language. This language is called as M language, but I don't know what is M language also. But still we want to do the work is first name, middle name, last name. I want to concatenate it and I want to make it as a full name. To do that one, what I will do is I'll select these three columns, whatever available, I'll select it. Something like this, I'm selecting it. Then I want to give the training. So before giving the training, one more problem I observed. Here you can notice middle name as the null values are available. Null values are available. Then if you do any kind of operation like concatenation, you do whatever you do, result we are going to get the null value, you are going to get it. That is a problem. So to overcome that problem, what we will do is we'll try to remove these null values with some kind of letter. Suppose I'm trying to right click here. There is an option called as replace the values. We are replacing all the null values, whatever available with the, suppose I'm replacing with the dot. I'm replacing with the dot or hyphen I am replacing with. Click on OK. Now you can notice wherever we see hyphen, that means what? That
Null
middle
values.
name is not available. That's the reason we
Okay.
given the hyphen over there. Now first name, middle name, last name, these three columns, I want to concatenate it. I don't know concatenation means what function I have to use it, how to do it, syntax, those all things I don't know. Still, we can able to do the work. Click on here, add the column. There is an option called as columns from examples. Okay, click on here, column from example from the selection, you click it. Then it is asking, okay, give the training to me. Now we have to give the training. What is the first row value? What way you want it? First row
Yes.
value, what way you want it, that you have to type here. For example, I want here, okay, John. Okay, sorry, John. Then followed by what we have over there, V. Then followed by what we have over there, Yang. This is how we want the first one. So go give we given the training for the one row, and I am trying to press the enter. Wow, what a beauty it is. Only first row I typed it, right? How we got the second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, everything it is automatically created.
Yes, sir. Like
Yeah.
table. Yeah.
Only I given the training for the first row. System automatically understands, okay, you want to do some transformation. The transformation is called as combine is the transformation. We need to combine the first name, middle name, last name. We have to combine it. System understands that one. What a beauty it is. Now you go and try to click on your OK. The moment you click on OK, now we are going to get properly merged column. We got it. This name as merged is there. And this is the transformation what we did it. I don't like this name merged. I want to rename it. Just sharply double click on this one and rename this as a full name. Full name, we renamed it. That's it. So whatever you do your changes, right? Those all things will be recorded here as a one step. Suppose you inserted one column, that is recorded as one step. Just now we renamed one column, that is recorded as a one step. Each step is called as technically one transformation. And whatever you do here, backend it is going to create the language. That language is called as M language. See here, whatever you did here, this also it tracked here, and first name, middle name, last name, concatenation, it's tracked here. Okay, I will talk more language, those all things later. But at this point of time, without knowing any language or anything, we're able to do the concatenation or not?
Yes, sir. We did.
Yeah. So only mouse we used it. No keyboard we used actually. Only mouse. Only mouse we used. Now, something like this doing the transformations. Today I maybe did only concatenation, I did it. Or I maybe did the replacing the null values, I did it. Only two transformations I did it. One transformation I did is called as replaced the null values, right? Second transformation I did here, inserting the
Concat.
new column. Third, maybe I did it renaming also. It is considering as a one more transformation. It is considering if it is considered that also as a transformation, then three transformations we did it here. Like these transformations, n number of things are there. Like we have here use first row as a header, appending the queries, and we have the merging the queries. Inside that one, there are join types are available, like left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, n number of transformations we can do it. Those all things we are going to learn as part of our regular course. We are going to learn it. That's what we written under the Power Queries chapter. If you go and try to see, this is what the Power BI desktop, and we are trying to go about the Power Query. Once you connect to the your database, whatever you want it, once you imported the data, then we are doing some transformations. You are doing the number of transformations you will do it, and also we'll know about what is M language, and also we'll know about what you mean by combining the queries, what you mean by joins. Those all things we will be learning about it. If anyone is very hurried learning it, okay, we do have the videos are available. If you go and try to observe the videos here, our website is available. That is called as dataexa.com website. If you go to that website, then each and every class recording, we taken already videos as a self-learning platform we kept here. If you go and try to observe the curriculum, then you can notice today's Power BI demos, available installations, all the videos are available here. And material also available, everything is crystal clear. So you can go and you can see, suppose tomorrow you want to learn something, okay, installations you want to learn about it. Then we have the installation chapter. In that one, screenshot wise, we provided everything we provided. So not there is, only thing here not there is your time. You need to spend the time here. That's it. If you spend the time, then material is available, videos are available. You have to spend the time. That's it. People will be saying as, sir, I did not get the time to practice this one, that, this, and all. This is what the time problem. So you have to make yourself available, and eager to learn the things means we have all the things are readily available. It may be videos, it may be materials or whatever you want it. Okay, and also you are in the good hand. Okay, this whatever I am doing here teaching, I am in the teaching field from so many years. Okay, if you go on, you type here uh, my channel or whatever it is, the website YouTube channel, so you can able to see 10 years 12 years back videos also we are able to observe it. Suppose if you go and try to observe this one, then here you can notice when these videos are uploaded and all. Okay, here you can observe the videos, there you can see the dates when it is posted and all. Am I clear? So the content wise everything is good, and we have here videos are available, material is available, and experienced faculty is available. Everything is there. Only thing is your time. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let us go back to our continuation. Okay. Now we have here this one we concatenated. Now I want to close this one. Time being, I don't want to go for more transformations and all. Transformations all we are going to learn in the regular class. We are going to learn about it. Now go and try to close this one. Let's say close and apply. We are closing it. We are closing means we are going back to the our Power BI desktop window. So now it's going to open our Power BI desktop window. This is loading your data, loading the data to the model. It is going to show you how many rows it is loading also. You can notice in the customer table, I have 18,000 plus customers are there. In the sales table, 60,000 plus sales records are there. With that 18,000 plus 60,000, that is 80,000 records, we are going to use it for our reporting purpose. We are going to use it. Okay. Those two tables are available for you for the reporting purpose now. Okay. Now, if I want to do the reporting means this is one separate table, this is one separate table. How this one will be communicate each other? There should be some join, right? There should be some relation, right? Today you and me are speaking
Yes,
here means we know we know we know each other with the platform of training, right? That is the reason we are speaking. Similarly, these two also need to speak one each other means we require relation. That relation is called as modeling. We are going to do your model. Okay, here we are going to do the joins and all. Our Power BI is intelligent enough to create the joins based on the common columns. Here customer key is available, here customer key is available. That is the reason without any permissions from you, automatically system created relation for you. Relation for you. So here we can manage the relationship down the line, and we will know what you mean by 1 year, what you mean by this direction here, what you mean by the star here. Those all information we will learn later. And you want some kind of metrics also, for example, extra calculations you want to do here. Okay, I have, for example, two things are there here. One is available here. How much amount how much amount I sold the product. I need to sell the product means Costco will not get everything his own product, right? He has to purchase somewhere, right?
yes,
If
sir.
you go and try to type here, let us say chicken. Okay, then surely it will be there. Yeah, we got now chicken packets maybe. Yeah, we got here chicken packets, we got it. So it cannot make everything here, right? It may be got from somewhere. So he has to purchase this one, then he has to sell. He has to purchase this one and he has to sell. So for at the time of purchasing, he will be investing some amount. That amount is called as okay cost here. What is the cost for the business itself? And that one how much is selling? This difference whatever available is going to be what is that profit or loss, right?
Prof. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes we may get profit, sometimes we may get loss. Those all depends on the business tactics and all it happens. So this difference is going to be profit or loss. Now I want that kind of calculation. I want to do it. You can do calculation the previous layer. What I shown the previous layer is Power Query. There also you can do the calculation. But if you do the calculation here, physically it is going to store over there. Physically it is going to store, not a runtime calculation. Physically it is going to store. But I want something, let's say everything physically storing means my file size backend, whatever available, this will be keep on increases. That is the reason I won't store all the things physically. Okay, in the runtime, I will be calculating something. So to do that kind of calculation, there is a concept called as DAX formulas. Okay, DAX, DAX is available, that formulas are there. So how to create that is click on these three dots. There is an option called as new measure. Then we are going to get here on formula bar. We are going to get it. It's opening. Yeah, we are getting formula bar. And we are giving the name as, okay, profit is equal to, what is the column we have? Sales amount is the column we have it. What is the column? Sales amount is the column we
Yes,
have it. We'll try to take it as sales amount, sum of sales amount. Okay. Minus then sum of cost column.
product.
Product standard cost or total product cost will take it. Total product cost means it will include all the shipping, everything will be there. Now we go on try to click on this right mark so that we'll get here one calculator symbol. The calculator symbol one we are seeing anywhere means that is a calculated one. Okay, it is a measure column. Now we have that measure also. That's what we are trying to tell here in the layer. The layer is called as a power pivot layer. We are saying it. This power pivot layer means two things we are going to cover very clearly here. One is called as model. In the model, we are going to do whatever we are going to do, we are going to cover it. Second, we are going to cover DAX. These two things together, we are going to say as a power pivot. So related to those two things, one thing we did here. Model level, we observed the join, and DAX level, we observe the formula. This kind of formulas we are going to learn more. We are going to learn it down the line whenever we are learning our regular syllabus. If you see our regular syllabus now, go back and try to observe. Here you can notice power pivot and it is a modeling. There we are going to discuss about relationship, cardinality, different types of relations, whatever available. Then we are seeing here DAX also calculations. We are seeing one of the calculations just now we did it, that is called as profit or loss. Now we also have different other columns are available, other calculations are available. We are going to discuss this all calculations. We are going to discuss about it. Okay, and also we can write the matured query. We can write that means SQL whatever available, SQL equivalent. We are going to write the query. That query is called as what query?
Tax duty.
DAX query. SQL query equivalent is called as DAX query. We are going to write that kind of things also. We are going to write it. Okay. Now, okay, power pivot also completed. That means the second layer also completed. What is the third layer we have? Power view. In the name itself, we have here view. What we are going to see it. That is what the power view. We are going to see it now. Report. I want to design the report now. Some data looks very good if I develop the report in the pie chart. Some data will be looks very good if I develop the report in the column chart. Some data will be in the table. Some data will be in the card. Some data will be in the some other cross tab. Depending on the data and what type of analysis we are going to do it, we are going to choose here corresponding visualization. Time being, I am trying to choose the visualization is normal table visualization. I am choosing it. Let us go for the table. This is what the table I am trying to take it. In the table, I want to take here two columns. I want it. One is called as full name. Full name of the employee. I want it. Customer. I want it. Second is who given the profit more to me. That's what my main interest, right? Why I'm doing the business
For
profit
profit.
purpose. Now full name is available, profit is available, but in the profit also, I want to know who given the more profit to me. Those people are good customers to me. So I will be selecting a top end and I will be selecting here. I want to go with the based on this profit column, 10 members only I want to select it. For the 10 members, I want to offer the something. So I selected here. I want to get the full name of the customers based on what value, based on profit value. How many members I am taking it?
We
10
need
members
10.
I am
Yeah,
taking.
10.
10 members I are taking based on the profit. And for better understanding purpose, even I can sort this one by clicking on this. Just I clicked on it, then I am able to sort it. So for more to small, I want to go here. Okay, first customer, if you take it, let me make this as bigger size so that you can able to see much better. Okay, let me make this as bigger size. Now it's good. Okay. Now you can notice here we have the first customer is available, Sarah. Sarah given here how much business is she given? 5189.1017. Okay, points it is not required. Let us say points I am removing it for our reading purpose. Okay, let us go and try to visualization. There is a properties are available, and here we can go to the values. In the values, decimal places we have it something. Uh, let's try to type here decimal places. Values, total, specific column. Then you can notice apply full name, profit. Yeah, decimal places. Don't want any decimal places. I'm keeping it 0. I'm keeping it. So now we are able to see properly, right? 5189, 5197, something like that. Wow. Because of this customer, Sarah, we got the profit of $5,189. We got it. Because of the Shan, we got this much of profit. We got it. In that one, I want to spend maybe 1% I want to take out, and I want to send one small gift. I want to send it. In 5189, if I take the 1%, then it becomes how much? 518. Correct?
Yeah.
How much it is? 51, right?
5.1.
51.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it will be $51. With $51, we can make the wonders. Actually, we can send one best gift to him. Him or her. We can able to send it. Okay. So that's how we are able to make the happy. Now, wow, beautiful. Now we go back to our syllabus and observe here. Now we are going to learn here Power View. As part of the Power View, we are trying to develop the reports. We are going to develop it. In the reports, we are going to learn about drill down, drill up, show next level, expand next level, drill through, back buttons, and visualization types, different types of visualizations, whatever available. It may be bookmarks, visualizations, different types of visualizations, and also we have the project 3. Actually, in each level, we have one project. If you see here, project 1 is available when the Power Query is completing. Project 1 is available. When Power Pivot is completing, then we have the project 2 is available. When um, when this Power View is completing, we have the project 3 is available. We are going to learn the project wise. We are going to learn. Even today also, whatever scenario we are observing, it's a Costco scenario, right? Costco has the business problem. We are solving it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow they may give one more problem. Okay, man, I want to understand chicken is selling more or mutton is selling more or eggs are selling more. They may have which product is selling more, they want to understand. And in which season which is selling more, they want to understand. In winter, what is selling more? In what you can call in summer, what is selling more? They may have season oriented business also, right? They want to know that one. So whatever question they ask it, business question, we are going to answer that one by developing some report. That's what our job. So to do that one, we are going to use the Power View. We developed the report also, we developed it. This kind of reports, a number of things we are grouping together, we are going to say as a dashboard. But dashboard, we cannot develop in the Power BI desktop. Dashboard, we are going to develop using one more tool is what? Power BI service. Okay, how to open the Power BI service? In the name itself, we have here, it is service. It is service. Service means you need not install anything. You have username and password, that's enough. For example, we have one of the service that is called as Drive. For Google Drive purpose, I saved here so many documents I saved here. Did I pay anything and I got here?
No.
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 So 2014 onwards, I am saving something. So nothing I paid it. This is service. Google is providing the free service to me. I'm utilizing it. Similarly, they given a cloud platform. That platform is called as app.powerbi.com. Let me open that one. So in the browser, I have one profile here. Let me go for profile. This profile I'll go. In this profile means I need not go for username and passwords. Yeah. Nowadays I said right, Power BI also merged and it is part of Fabric. Power BI also merged and is part of Fabric. In the bottom, we can notice there is a two options are there, Fabric. Then you can notice below Power BI is available. If you click on this Power BI, then here, whatever you see in the top is Power BI. Whatever you are seeing this window is now called as a Power BI window. But end of the day, The URL for both the things is what?
Fabric. It is under the fabric.
app.fabric.microsoft.com is a common URL for that. It may be Power BI, people maybe land ADF with me, or people maybe land Azure Data Explorer, it may be KQL land, lot of things we did it, almost all the things we did within the Fabric window only we did it. In this window only we did. This is called as service. People will be purchasing the email addresses and passwords. Okay, like you see here, I've joined here with one email ID. For me, it is a trial as of now. For me, it is a trial as of now. Even this trial to get also, there is a process. Okay, nowadays you cannot get it. Okay, there is a process you have to follow, but I will give the username and password to you. How to practice and all, I will give the username and password. With normal Gmail ID, we cannot log into this page and all. Okay, now here I have a concept called as a workspace is available. Workspace. Let's go and try to create one workspace. Or I can use the existing workspace. Let me create one workspace. New workspace. I'm giving today's name as 2025, then 05, then 21. And it is a workspace I am creating. That is the reason I'm giving the workspace as a underscore and all. Click on apply. Inside this workspace, do I have anything here as of now?
No.
No, nothing is available. Now, till now, I did a lot of hard work. I did here one report. This report I want to publish over there. How I can do the publish is here also I logged in with the same email ID I logged in. That is the reason I can go and I can click on here publish. The moment I click on publish, then it is asking the save. Once I saved it, it's going to publish. At the time of publishing, it asks you which workspace you want to publish it. I will tell to the system, okay, just now I created one workspace. That workspace is B25. No, 25. No,
2025.
2025. Yeah, 2025. Yeah, correct. 20250521. That I'm selecting it. Then this is starting publishing here. Once publishing is completed, we'll see this report in the service. Once it is available in the service, anyone can able to access using this URL. Of course, they need to have the permissions. I can control here who can access, who cannot access. I can able to control here. Okay. Whoever have the access, they can able to access this report. If I click on this demo, then I'm able to see the report what we developed it. That is top 10 customers. We are going to get it. If you want to share this report to someone else, you can go on, you can share it. Suppose I have one of the member, I want to share it. For example, let us say I can go on, I can type here. Okay, here we have Ashwant Anam is available. I can go on, I can select it, click on send. Then it is going to send. You got my point?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. That's how we are going to share. That's what it is meaning of here. If you go back to our syllabus again, then PowerBI service, we are trying to sign up using some URL. Then we know how to create the workspace. We know how to publish it. Then we are going to create the dashboards. Those all things also we are going to create it. And we are also going to learn about how to create the apps, how to create the gateways, then connections, how to make it, and performance tuning, how to do it, and security, how to implement it, and also automation, how you can do the automation using the PowerShell scripting. Okay, that's PowerShell scripting also we're going to see it, and how to deploy from one environment to another environment, how to use the analysis service, and also Snowflake, how to use it here, Python script, how to write it here, and different types of licenses we're going to know about it. Even this premium one is expired in the sense they stopped it. They're giving this premium license, they stopped it. In that place, they introduced the fabric, they introduced it. We are going to learn those kind of things also. We're going to learn about it. Okay, and also we are going to help you writing the CV and marketing the CV and all. And some kind of people ask questions, maybe how many days it is going to take the time, 45 days, and when the class will happen, Monday to Friday. In case Monday to Friday, someday if I am not able to take the class due to my work pressure or whatever it is, then that one I am going to compensate it by taking the Saturday. Okay. Next, what time and all? The same time it will be going on. That is now 6:30 p.m. PST, right? For India, 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Here 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. PST it happens. For you, it may be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Is it clear? Okay. Now, where to get the materials? We have the materials. We already got chance to see it. Where to get the videos? We got chance to see the videos, and we have everything. Is it clear? Now you understand the course content, what we are going to cover, and understand the architecture also. Did you solve the
Yes.
business problem?
Yeah, we can solve it.
Yeah. So that's how we are going to learn about it. Okay. Now people are looking for the Microsoft Fabric. Okay. Any skill you can go on. You can start our course actually. Okay. If you see, that's what I mean, right? In the beginning, I shown it. Microsoft Fabric means it's a collection of courses. Okay. A number of courses together we are learning. That is a Microsoft Fabric. If you see here, as part of the Microsoft Fabric, Power BI is the one of the skill. Okay, people who are we are joining for Microsoft Fabric, we can start with Power BI also. You can start it. Once it is completed, we'll be come back again and we'll be giving about the Fabric is what is LakeHouse, what is Azure Data Factory, what is SQL endpoint, what is data warehouse, Azure Data Explorer, real-time intelligence and data science and AI, how you can do it. All these 10 things will be covered. 10 modules, whatever we given here, right? Though I given as a 10 modules actually here, 10 is again 10 different skills, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Okay. Now for each one, even we created the one repository. It may be Power BI or it may be tomorrow Azure Data Explorer you are interested. Azure Data Explorer you are going also. Then we created one more repository is available under the hood. In under that one, different chapters are available. There we may have suppose Kusto query language. Okay, what is Kusto query language and how to write the queries over there? Those all things are available point by point, step by step. It's available. So full-fledged Fabric course where we ever want it. Okay, for them you're starting with a skill called as Power BI today, but remaining things also will be covered once it is completed. Am I clear? It is a common demo
Yeah.
basically. What I want to say is Power BI and Fabric. It is a common demo. It is a common demo. Though I did not explain much about the Microsoft Fabric, most of the journey is went for the Power BI, but everything is same. Even for Fabric also, we do have the videos. Okay, if you go and try to see here, uh, go to the home. Then the bottom we have the Fabric also available. The Fabric related videos are available. But problem with the Fabric is I said right, it's a collection of courses. Here you may be seeing as 30 or 40 videos only, you may be seeing it. But where remaining all videos, suppose in this one Power BI is available. Power BI is separate course I created. You got it my point, right? Okay, some things I shifted here and there. So anyhow, whatever skill I am teaching here, that skill corresponding course you have to follow here. Okay, Power BI I'm teaching means Power BI you have to follow. Suppose I am teaching, let us say, Azure Data Factory means Azure Data Factory you have to follow. These are all accesses I am going to provide to you. Are you getting my point? Okay. This link I
Yes.
am giving, this link I am giving in the chart. Please add to the bookmark to your browser, and every day before coming to the class, you have to keep it open, that one ready. Okay, that is our go to guard. Okay, to learn the entire this course, and it is available in the GitHub. It is able to open in the mobile or wherever you want it. All you need is internet is available, you can able to open it. That's it. Any questions? Now we have still, I joined 5 minutes late, right? So I'll give that 5 minutes back to you. Any questions you have? Anyone has any questions? Uh, Anyone has any questions?
Sir, I have one. Do we have to remember the formula here, like as we told about the profit, like
You need not
so?
remember nowadays. Okay, we have here our friends are available here. We can go for the Gemini, ChatGPT, n number of things are available, right? You can type over there, you'll get the answer. Nothing to worry. But automatically you'll be learning it and you'll be remembering it. Like how you remember the numbers. Did you did the by
Yes,
heart in childhood? You maybe did the by heart. Now we did not do any by heart. We know it. We don't know how we know it, but we know it, right?
yes.
Yeah. So similarly, here also at the time of learning, you may have some kind of learning curve kind of thing. After that, automatically you will be able to remember it. That's it. It's kind of driving skills kind of thing. At the time of learning, okay, we have to hold this gear, drive that, this, blah blah. After that, nothing is there, right? Similarly, these all things will be feed to your brain. Don't worry. Okay. But what I am
Right.
trying to say overall is, if you want something, let us say I want here, okay, get profit calculation in DAX based on product cost and product sold columns. Suppose I written like that. Then system is going to give you formula very clearly. Wow, what a beautiful, right? Profit is equal to product sold minus product cost, it is given. Measure you are writing means, wow, beautiful. This is what the formula exactly written, right?
Yes, sir. Same thing.
Yeah. So you know how, you know the subject. That means I typed here, right? This is called as prompting. You know, proper prompting, what you wanted, you have the clarity. What is your business? What you're running here? What is expectation? That kind of functional knowledge you have it. You are able to put it here properly. Then systems nowadays, GenAI tools are available. Don't worry. You can able to get the formula directly. You got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions?
Hi, sir. This is Murthy.
Yeah, Murthy.
Yeah, I was asking about access sometime back. Can you please help with that?
Which axis?
Um,
Videos axis
uh,
or
yes, yes, yes,
videos axis? Okay.
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Ping me in the chat. I will give the coupon code and all. Not in the chat. My WhatsApp. Okay. Yeah. Thank
Sure,
you.
sir. I will do. Thank
Thank you. Bye bye. Okay. Then tomorrow same time we are going to meet. We'll continue from there. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.